What if I told you that beneath the darkest waters on Earth lies a heart? Not the heart of a creature, but of the ocean itself. For centuries, local fishermen whispered about waters that seemed alive, that breathed with light. Many dismissed these as tales of superstitious minds. Until now, the Lembeh Strait in Indonesia appears, by day, like many tropical waters, beautiful, but unremarkable to the untrained eye. Yet what happens here during specific nights has confounded scientists for decades. When I first heard about the phenomenon, I honestly thought it was exaggerated. Bioluminescence is common enough in oceans worldwide, but synchronized pulses? That would require communication on a scale we hadn't documented before. To witness this phenomenon requires perfect timing, specific conditions, and considerable patience. Our team waited 3 weeks for the right conditions. What makes this unique is not just the blue light, it's the rhythm. It's as though millions of organisms have synchronized their watches. What you're witnessing isn't computer-generated imagery. This is real footage of one of nature's most closely guarded secrets, a living light show that pulses with perfect synchronicity, like the heartbeat of the ocean itself. The architects of this underwater light show are ostracods, tiny crustaceans barely larger than a mustard seed. Individually, they're unremarkable. Collectively, they achieve the impossible. Each ostracod contains a chemical cocktail of luciferin and luciferase, compounds that create light when mixed. But the real mystery isn't the chemistry, it's the timing. While fireflies on land can synchronize their flashing through visual cues, these creatures synchronize in the pitch-black depths. No leader, no central nervous system, yet perfect coordination. We've ruled out temperature fluctuations, lunar cycles, and even electromagnetic signals. Something else is coordinating them, and understanding this mechanism could revolutionize our understanding of collective behavior. The pattern follows a complex mathematical rhythm that repeats precisely every 3.8 seconds. When charted, it perfectly matches human heartbeat waveforms. Our ancestors believed this was where the ocean goddess rested, her heartbeat visible only to those pure of heart. Many would not speak of it to outsiders, fearing the magic would be taken away. References to the living waters appear in regional texts dating back to the 16th century. Dutch colonizers dismissed these accounts as primitive superstition, unaware they were documenting a genuine biological marvel. What's fascinating is how accurately the traditional stories described the phenomenon centuries before modern science could explain it. The local name translates to the breath of the deep mother, poetically perfect for what we now understand as synchronized bioluminescence. This extraordinary phenomenon faces multiple threats. Light pollution from expanding coastal developments disrupts the delicate signals. Chemical runoff alters the water chemistry. Climate change affects breeding cycles. We're working against time. Once these synchronized populations are disrupted, they may never recover their rhythm. We're talking about the potential extinction of a behavior rather than a species. Local communities have instituted strict blackout periods during peak viewing seasons. Scientific access is limited to prevent disruption. These measures have shown promising results. 5 years ago, the pulses were weakening. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, they're stronger than we've seen in decades. It's proof that with understanding comes the possibility of protection. In a universe obsessed with patterns, few are as beautiful or mysterious as the blue heart of Lembeh. It reminds us how much remains undiscovered in our oceans, phenomena that challenge our understanding of communication, coordination, and perhaps consciousness itself. The next time you stand at the edge of the sea, remember, beneath those dark waters might beat a heart of living light, a reminder that the greatest wonders of our world still wait to be discovered. Listen closely enough, and you might just hear the heartbeat of the deep.